A couple of weeks ago, I received a phone call from a friend of mine, and she was asking me to make some pizza bread and focaccia with her, but gluten-free. So at the same time, as you probably know, I'm a study videographer, and I thought I should grab the camera and go there and shoot and show her as well how to make the pizza. So follow this video until the end because I'm going to give you the recipe of the pizza and the bread, but at the same time, enjoy my B-roll video. Sei pronta, Alessandra?
Prontissima.
Nice.
Pronti?
Vai!
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone.
So guys, it's not easy to make a gluten-free pizza, but if you use the right flour, it's a little bit better. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, feel free to text me here below in the comments. If you didn't do it yet, subscribe, press the ring, thumbs up, and see you at next video. Ciao!